Welcome back to my channel. I am Poral here. Today we are going to see recruitment opportunity from Cognizant company. To know the job details, eligibility criteria and application process, then please do watch this video till the end. If you are watching this channel for the first time, then subscribe my YouTube channel to get regular job notification videos. Also like this video if you feel this content is useful. Now let's begin. Cognizant is hiring candidates for process executive position. This is a data job. Coming to the job location, you can choose any of these places to apply this position. They are Noida, Hyderabad, Chennai and Karnataka. So the designation is team leader or team manager. And qualification is graduate from any stream or eligible except BE, BTech and MCA. So now let's see the employee status. This is a full-time job and it is completely day shift. At present it is work from home, but later you need to report to office. Also, you will get a laptop to work. For this role, both freshers and experienced candidates can apply. The salary which they are offering is 4 lakh CTC per annum and it may vary depending on the company's terms and conditions. So let me tell you the application process. How you can apply. So here you will be able to see apply now button. Click on that apply now button. I will put the links in description. From there you can easily apply. Once you click on that application link which I have given in description, you will be redirected to the company's official page. Before going to process your job application, read the terms of candidate privacy notice and proceed it. Now, to complete the application process, in step 1, firstly you need to upload your resume and your personal details. So just fill out your personal details, your first name, last name, mail ID, phone number and your PAN number. If you had any experience, you can mention here, or if you are a fresher, then select 0 in total experience column. Finally, here you need to add your skills which you know, like MS Excel, MS Office or MS Word, which you have mentioned in your resume. So once you have finished the application form, now click on that next button to complete the final step. Before you click the submit button, review the application and then submit it. I hope this video is helpful and please let me know what kind of job are you looking for in comment section.